Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Python 3. 10 Plus is installed and creating a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, activate the Venv and install your chosen AI library and Jupyter or VS Code extensions. You do this to prevent conflicts and to reproduce results. Make sure to verify the library import in a quick REPL session. This confirms the runtime and path are correct before you write your first script. Now you wire the AI model into your Python workflow. First, load the model with a small config and set device to CPU or GPU depending on available hardware. Then implement tokenization and batching so inputs are efficient. This reduces memory spikes. Next, write clear inference and checkpoint functions and add logging for outputs and timings. This structure keeps experiments reproducible and helps you iterate quickly when you tune prompts or model parameters. To finish, package your inference into a lightweight API or CLI so you can call it from apps and scripts. Run unit tests and performance checks with representative prompts to validate behavior and latency. Once stable, containerize or deploy to your chosen host. If something goes wrong, first check for device mismatches and library version conflicts. Mismatched CUDA or outdated packages cause most faults. Make sure to reproduce the error locally before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.